Hello everybody. I'm on my way to Southville International School and Colleges for my enrollment and orientation. I'm really excited for this new season in my life. Now we're going to the cashier to pay. Makakapag-aral ulit ako. And makukuha ko din yung course na gusto ko, which is BS Psychology. We're getting uniform now. So today we're trying out my cool uniform. I hope it fits. It's super kasha. But it's made for me. So this is my building. Yes, this year, 2010. Yes. I graduated from Vice President. He deserves a loyalty award.
Wow! I wanted to meet your teachers. It's an honor to have you. Welcome to our family. You have to wear the uniform.
I want na. First and foremost, I just really want to be able to finish the course.
So excited also to see you graduate.
Oh, thank you so much. Overwhelmed ako kasi nakilala mo na yung mga professors mo. And I'm starting my class next week. I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. Ninang Mirando, my 4th year class advisor. 42, lahat ng mababait nandun. Ako yung computer teacher. Got my IC already. I have my student number. Hello everyone!